Hello everybody, Wajusi here again with some more random cubes. Today we got some HIG Rubik's Cubes. Let's try them out. Manual. All the records. Nice, right? Sometimes with a cube and also a bag. This comes with a purple bag. Let's get this one open as well. This one's the colored, the stickerless with pink, with a blue bag. Some more instructions. Right? Let's try the black one first. It feels kind of. Oh, that. That's definitely needs some lubrication. Or lubrication need to be worked in. It's really sandy. Catches like tremendous amount. It's starting to loosen up. But I'm just getting used to it. Alright, that was the white or the black skin version. Let's try the stickerless version. There's no way that's the same brand. That can't be the same brand. Oh. I guess it just needs to be worked in. Alright. That's about all I got for these two. Some of the really great bags though. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more future videos related to cubes and cubing products. Thank you.